Good evening, folks, and a hearty welcome to our drive-in theater. We're glad you came as you are. We just want you to enjoy yourselves.
Hi, this is Leslie
and Lexy,
and today we're here to introduce you to the 2022 Summer Buttercream Collection.
The Drive-In!
Here we are at the Drive-In.
We are, and nothing says summer like a drive-in movie on a summer July night. The giant screen is playing a classic film. The popcorn is hot. And romance is in the air. I'm waiting for a little romance here. Meet Ellie's new summer 2022, the Drive-In ButterCream collection, and transport yourself to a dreamy place where your biggest concern is whether the top of the Cadillac is up or down.
Wow, did you set a mood, Lexy?
Did I? I was
you
going
set
for
a
that.
great mood.
I had to set a vibe.
Well, the whole thing about the drive-in, the colors that we have this a little bit of innocence to them. Back in the drive-in days when you truly, I can really relate to this. We'd go make out and have a good time.
A little backseat necking?
A little backseat necking? Oh, yes. But the colors, the 6-color buttercream colors that we have for you have this kind of steamy look to them. There's kind of sultry pastels, but there's some bright, hot ones. So it's very fun, and it just reminds us of the drive-in. And you know, a hot summer night in July.
Yes.
Yeah, so, you know, go after you hear about these colors, get them for your clients, put them on, and then find a drive-in or find somewhere.
Find a back alley somewhere.
Yeah. Not the back alley. Go to I don't know, to a nice hill or something. I don't know.
Is that what you did?
Yeah. Don't knock backseat necking until you've tried it.
Yeah. Okay,
All right,
we'll take your word for it.
How about if we get into what these colors are? Right.
Let's go. First off, I do want to say that the buttercream is a hard gel. You apply it extremely thin because it's very opaque, great for art. 2 thin coats for full coverage. Awesome product. You do have to file it off.
Packed with pigment.
Packed with pigment. So the first one is double feature. This is your perfect neutral brown. It's a double feature. It's milk chocolate with extra milk. So what I love about this is I feel like brown is the wrong word because you kind of think of a darker tone. But what I love about this brown is there is a lot of that white in there, so it kind of makes it look creamy.
It does. It has enough color in it, though. It's not a real buff. It is a brown, but it is a brown with some milk in it.
It's in the perfect sweet spot for a brown, too.
It really is. So now I'm going to go into previews and popcorn. This is a carnation pink that has it's slightly warm with a satin finish, and it has a little bit of a slight hint of peach to it. Not a whole lot. I love this. Now the satin, it is not a shimmer. I'm not a big shimmer person. A lot of you are. A lot of people are. That's great. I would wear this one though because it has just kind of has a satin sheen to it.
That's a good way to describe it.
It gives it a sophistication that I kind of like. It's a beautiful pink. It's a good summer pink, and it has, any of you that are looking for just the tiniest touch of peach, this is your perfect warm pink, carnation pink.
Leans a little bit on the warmer side.
Love it.
I'm going to go in with my second favorite here, which is a shocker because it's a green. But Twilight Date Night. This is a muddy summer turquoise. Twilight Date Night is the perfect blend of blue and green together. What I love about this color is we don't have anything like it. We have bright turquoises, we have dark turquoises. This is that muddy undertone turquoise, which is something that we don't have, so it really fills a spot, and it's very unique for summer. I absolutely love it.
It's really cool. It's a color you really haven't seen, but it works. It has a really has a sweet spot of a muddled turquoise.
Yes, it's a great, fun summer unique color.
Yeah. All right. So next we're going to go into Movie Under the Moonlight. This is a muddled gray meets lavender to create this luscious shade. I like this because it is a lavender, but what is really cool about it, lavender is a beautiful color. It can be kind of prissy and all this. This has a little touch of gray to it that gives it a little more substance, I believe. It's kind of in the neutral range, but has a lot of color for a neutral. But a lavender with gray, it really hits a nice spot. It's going to be, it is a steamy, sultry color for summer.
It's perfect. It's in like the perfect spot,
It really is.
Okay, I'm going to go in with Those Summer Nights.
paints. You said you weren't going to do that.
I know, I had to. I'm sorry. I had to pull a grease. I had to pull a grease line out of that.
You kind of feel a grease vibe to this.
So a tangerine creamsicle. This exactly sums up this color. I just see a kid in the dead of summer holding a orange dreamsicle in their hand. It's a beautiful light tangerine with a lot of white in the background. I love it because it's kind of an oxymoron. It's a bright neutral.
It's true.
Which is a perfect way to describe it.
Yeah.
I love it.
And it is a creamsicle.
It is.
I see the kids.
Did I call it a dreamsicle or a creamsicle?
Well, I think they were called dreamsicles.
Okay, but it's a creamsicle.
But it's, yeah, the orange ones I think were dreams. I don't know, but it's that perfect color. And I see the kid holding it with it kind of dripping down on their hands in the hot summer, right?
Everyone can relate to that.
I know. All right, last but not least.
This is the best.
This is the best. It's backseat necking. First of all, if you have never tried it, go try it. This is my absolute favorite neon pink that we have ever made. I love this neon pink. There's something about it in the spot that it is. Sometimes neon pinks I feel like can be kind of for the young and bold. There's something about this that is in the perfect spot. It's cool, but has a little bit of warmth to it. It's bold, but it's sophisticated in a way also. So I think the really young clients are going to like it, the in-between. And I don't care if you're 99 years old. This is going to be a great pink. So
it's anybody that wants to have a good time.
It screams backseat necking.
And I love that you did say it falls in this perfect, it's not too cool and it's not too warm. It falls right in the center, which I think makes it very wearable.
I agree.
It's an amazing color. If you guys want something hot and to stand out this summer, backseat necking is it.
And it's not your average neon pink. It has a little bit of kick to it that's extra special.
Yes.
So anyway, I hope we have created a fabulous mood for you for this summer collection. Your clients are going to love them. You're going to love them. We just hit it from the dreamsicles to the backseat necking to the lavender grays. We have so much to offer. The colors are extremely cohesive.
Extremely. I can't wait to see all the art that you guys are going to do with these together.
Me too.
And you guys remember, what's inside does matter. So know that we only use the finest ingredients. We care about you. We know you care about your clients. That's important to us.
Yep.
So
the drive-in.
Is that a wrap?
It is, but I want to say the drive-in creates an exciting and passionate feeling, just like being in the back seat of your Cadillac.
Okay.
You like that?
I'll meet you in the back seat of the Cadillac.
All right, guys, have fun with this collection. It's absolutely amazing. The buttercreams are amazing. A thin coat, and they are packed with pigment. And go out and have some fun at the drive-in.
Yep. We'll see you guys at the movies.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.
We hope you'll make this a weekly visit. Bring the family. Bring your friends. There are always wonderful new pictures to see, delightful snacks to nibble, a gay, pleasant evening for all.